Hello there. I'd like to introduce my new Eden calendar for 2025. So here's the A4 version of the Eden calendar, and I've also produced a double-sized one. So here is the A3 version. So I'll just go through and show you some of the photos in here. So if you look across the grid here, we've got a photo for every month, 12 months of the year. There is the first photo. Details about the month. Next photo. And I'll show you on the smaller calendar because that'll be easy. So if we go through on the small calendar, or this is an A4 calendar, it opens up to A3 size. On this calendar I've printed the month across there. On the larger calendar I haven't put the month there. So the first picture is looking at lookouts, Eagle's Claw, looking back over Snug Cove and the town of Eden, the hills in the distance. Here we have another view looking back over Snug Cove from over the suburbs in Twofolds Bay. Here we have a cruise ship in the harbour. Here we have the lovely ocean pool down at the end of Aslington Beach. Here we have a view looking back over Twofolds Bay through Ross's Bay. A beautiful calm day. Here we have the Cannery Wharf in Cattleman's Bay, just around the corner from Snug Cove. Here we have the original Thompson Bar, the swimming pool in Twofolds Bay. Here we have another view looking back over the town and the town centre with Lake Corelio and the hills in the distance. Here we have the sunrise over Nullika and Boydtown Beach. Here we have what's a place called Keith's Pinch, which is just off Quarantine Bay when you're looking back towards the town. Here's again coming in from Quarantine Bay, a view of Corello Beach and looking back over the boats towards the wharf in town. And lastly, here we have the lookout and at the end of Eagle's Claw and where the Coast Guard radio station is. So there's that one. Now all of these prints I print up on large canvas sheets. So here's an example of a canvas print. This one is 600 by 400, good size from the wall. Here another canvas print which is on thinner framing, another option, and 600 by 400 is a good size. Next size up, which is quite popular, is 600 by 900. There's a canvas print at 600 by 900. They're your standard 2 to 3 ratio prints. And I also do custom prints and framing. So here's a 900 by 300 wide panorama on canvas with a wooden frame of the Whale Museum with a cruise ship in the Bay of Eden. And these prints I can do easily up to 1.2 or 1.5 metres wide. I have a large printer here, so that's my offerings for this year, and they're available online, my Etsy store, and also have it from a location in Eden which you can find here. So thank you for watching those, and I'll finish off with a little song created for the calendars and the months of the year. Thank you.
30 days, half September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has 28 and fine, till leap year gives it 29.